Hello everybody, in this video we are going to be going over the topic multiplicative property of inequalities with integers. So we're going to go over two problems and let's get started. So our first step when working with a problem like this is looking at getting this w by itself. And just like any other problem, we're going to do that. And we're going to do it by finding the weakest link to this to this w. And that is going to be our -3. So we're going to simply divide our -3 out and do it on both sides. However, there's a key part that we want to know when working with inequalities, and that's whenever we divide by a negative, what we're going to do is we're going to flip the sign that it's facing. So now instead of having a w is greater than 15, we're going to have a w which is less than our now -5. So, in short, whenever we divide by this negative, we're going to be flipping the sign and ultimately changing the answer to the problem. Now, in this problem, we're going to do the same thing as we did in the last, and we're going to want to isolate this variable. And so we divide both sides by 2, and so right here, we're going to just get x. And then on this side, we are going to get a -6. And this is going to be our answer. And this is because we're not dividing by a negative. If we were dividing by a negative, we would flip the inequality sign and end up changing our answer. However, we didn't. So x is less than -6 is your answer for this problem. Thank you for watching this video on the multiplicative property of inequalities with integers. Thanks for watching. See ya.